What's so cool about manufacturing?
KRB Machinery is a world-class manufacturer specializing in rebar fabrication to areas all around the world. Founded in 1986 by Kenneth Kaufman and now run by his son, Nathan Kaufman, the company has grown from a mere 20 employees to over 60. KRB offers rehab shop optimization, service contacts, financing, quote forms, and other online services. Customers of KRB feel as though they are treated like family, with efficient service and durable products. Customers are able to maintain the quality and function of their machinery provided by KRB for over 30 years. Located in Wrightsville, Pennsylvania, there is only one manufacturing location. There is also a sales office strategically placed in South Korea, as they cut and bend more rebar than all of North America combined. Throughout the history of KRB, they have adapted to the modern technology and processes that today's world has to offer. Using an automated welder, the company is able to mass-produce repeated products like pocket-armed burnouts. While one person can fabricate a couple hundred in a day, the robot is able to mass-produce 4 in just 1 minute and 10 seconds. For large products that cannot be completed robotically, MIG guns, automatic welding feed tools, are commonly utilized by KRB. This helps cut down on production time, improves product quality, and increases operator downtime. Speaking of large projects, KRB was chosen to provide the equipment for the Panama Canal expansion, the largest construction project in the world.
Hi, I'm Scott Harvin. I'm a product subject matter expert here at KRB. I do enjoy working here. The community is great.
Hi, I'm Lonnie Melba, team leader here at KRB. I'm so grateful to be part of such an amazing community within this industry.
My name is Dave Stimson. I'm a weld shop team leader at KRB. It's a great team environment and we always help each other out.
Eastern York is proud to have KRB Machinery as a community partner. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to get an inside look into manufacturing.